10, roger.
Advisory, 10 minutes to the airspace. Less than 10 minutes actually, but...
27 Whiskey Alpha, ground tower.
Copy, 27 Whiskey Alpha. We're over in front of the Columbia Air Service ramp.
That is
to taxi to Charlie. We'd like a westbound departure.
Whiskey Alpha, you taxi intersection Charlie Delta via Charlie.
Intersection Charlie Delta for 27 Whiskey Alpha. We've got to follow the shoreline.
Guy sounds Australian. Cool. 4 nautical miles. Is there
Service.
you have a visual reference of the airport? Oh, it's right there.
Yep.
Gotcha. There's no obstacles on the approach, which is good. Let's just get Runway 3. Okay, just normal landing. Just get our checklist ready for that. Right. At what point do we start the approach checklist?
All right, good. Let's, we got to go a little to the right here.
Right, a little to the right.
Runway 33 is which way? This way, right?
It's that way.
No, that's runway.
Oh, I meant that way.
Exactly, so we've got to report to left base, so we've got to go to the right a little.
7 Whiskey Alpha, the intersection Charlie Delta, clear for takeoff, south departure approved.
Yeah, clear for takeoff, westbound departure. 27 Whiskey Alpha's on the go.
To the right a little bit.
Roger, traffic to Cessna 172, about 4 west of the airport at 1,000 feet, just entering the left downwind.
Copy, looking for that traffic, 27 Whiskey Alpha.
So it's following 804, traffic to helicopter departing to the west, be climbing.
Looking for that traffic, 504.
I got the traffic right there.
We have that traffic in sight, 804.
Just 804, roger, and helicopter 7 Whiskey Alpha, the traffic has in sight.
Copy, 27 Whiskey Alpha.
At some point we'll turn into that downwind. Still not that far, so, or not that close. I had the traffic, it's right there. Do you have it in sight?
Yep.
Okay, just...
7 Whiskey Alpha, the traffic just ahead to your left, about 2 miles.
27 Whiskey Alpha's looking.
The traffic still?
Just about your 10 to 11 o'clock now.
Do you have that traffic in sight again?
I have the traffic.
Copy, I have the traffic, maintaining visual.
Just 804, the helicopter traffic has in sight.
Thank you very much, 804.
Just 804, runway 33, clear for the option, the wind 35 at 7.
33 cleared for the option, 804.
That's not that runway, where is it? It's past that way. I don't have a visual of that runway.
Okay, good. We want to go into runway 33.
Is pointing
Here we go.
that way. I have the runway in sight, it's right there. We just gotta continue our downwind for it. So let's actually get into a downwind now. And start configuring for... Are you okay with me configuring, starting?
Yep, start the configuration.
Right.
Pre-landing checklist, it's just the flow.
Add flaps to 10.
Good.
Maintain 85 knots with flaps 10.
Perfect.
Fuel both altimeters set to 29 or 9 or 3. Radio set. Audio panel. I don't really know what that means. Our approach briefing is complete. We're
good. All right.
We're doing.
Take a left turn now.
And we'll start descending at left turn. Keep that. Missed approach. We're gonna.
Don't worry about the missed approach right now. Let's just keep going. You're doing a nice job.
I'm thinking about that.
We're kind of far away, right? So let's get that speed up a little bit more. Good. Now we're on that base. Good job. We've been cleared for the option, right?
Yes.
Got that descent. Power down.
do you know the field elevation?
Yeah, it's a 9 feet.
9 feet, okay.
27 Whiskey Alpha is clear of you to the west.
7 Whiskey Alpha, shed approved. Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you.
All right, shoot.
New York approach, what are they on here?
Say again, I'm sorry?
New York approach, what kind of frequency them on here?
Well, I tell you, you might be too low for that, but you could try them on 118.0 in about 10 miles.
118.0, thanks.
All right, Nick taught me something to when we are sure to landing to add the last notch of flaps.
Okay,
so
that's fine.
I'm going to add it when I'm assured that we're going to land.
Perfect.
I'm just letting you know.
Okay, let's get that power. That's excellent. Okay, let's get that power out.
We've got 3 white, 1 red, so. Or all white, I can't really tell.
Bridgeport radio, cap 601.
Yep, 601, you transmitted Groton Tower.
Sorry.
Fine. Let's get more power out, 1500. Out of 1500. Perfect.
Right, sure. I'm assured that we're landing, so. Add that last notch of flaps.
Perfect. Slow us down a little bit. Reduce the power more. Good. Just a little bit. Pitch up just a little bit to get that right. Good. We get the center line a little bit. Good. A little more to the right. Get a little bit of power. Back to power. Good. More power. Good. Too much just to get us over. Good. Now you can start bleeding it off. Good. Perfect. Go to idle. Hold it, hold it. No, not too hard, not too hard. Just hold it. Good. Okay, hold it off, hold it off. Okay, I'm going to get your flaps up. You ready?
Yep.
And now add your full power. Go ahead. Take off. Groton Tower, if we could get a westbound departure, please.
That's 804, westbound departure.
Rotate. Got
westbound
birds.
departure approved. 804. Thanks very much for hosting, sir.
Anytime.
Get over that.
Get the pitch up, son, so we clear these obstacles. Well done.
Thank you.
Good landing.
Thank you very much.
Good landing. Just next time we talk about it, just careful with a little too much of this, okay? But otherwise, I really like how you did.
Thank you.
Notice we got a tower ahead of us.
It's all the way up there.
Yep.
About
Good.
11 o'clock.
We're going to climb to 3,000 feet.
Right.
At 800 feet, we're going to start that left turn and we'll go...
On course.
We'll go direct to Danbury. How does that sound?
Sounds good to me. Right, we're at 800 and we'll proceed direct to Danbury. Return for 3,000. Wait till you get that in. We're clear of that obstacle out there, that traffic.
Excellent
we
job.
want to make sure that we're not that close to that.
That's 804. If you like, you try Providence approach on 119.45 for advisories.
Say again, please, sir. 804.
Just 804. If you like, you can try Providence approach control on 119.45 for advisories.
119.45. Thanks again, sir. Right, so we can use Providence for the advisories if we want.
Right, my question is this, are you direct now?
Okay, sorry?
Are we going direct to them?
Yeah, we've got to change the CDI to